Okay, so we're back here in again the Solo Learn IDE, doing some practice on creating methods and working on some, just different basic functions in C Sharp. Um, for this quick little lesson here, we're going to go ahead and just do something that will create an output, and we can input some information. Something that you would do, like if you were in Visual Studio, like it normally would be like you would do this like in a console type application. Just again, for my purpose, for being new to C Sharp and new to programming, just getting repetitions in of just practicing different things and working with them. We're going to go ahead and create a string variable, a string method, if you will. We're going to call it your pet. And with C Sharp, you want to make sure that when you're creating names for your methods, things like that, that you use camel casing. Camel casing is the letter P is capitalized here in the middle of the word. It's just a good practice, makes the code much more dynamic and readable. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a question that's going to pop up for our user. So we will do a console dot write line method, and we're going to ask our users, what is the name of your pet? Okay, and again, at the end of each statement, make sure you use a semicolon. And the next line down below that, we want you to go ahead and recall your actual, um, that variable you've created. You have to call it there. You have to create it there, and then we're going to do a console read line on this one, so we can create a place for them to, basically this is a place in our code that we're reserving for them to to hold whatever the name of the pet is that they put in here. So from you know what you're calling, because this should match with what your initial name of your variable is, or of your method is, if you want to want to say it that way. And then so as of right now, what we've done so far, when we run this, a box should pop up. It's going to ask for input. What is the name of your pet? Now, with the Solo Learn IDE, it doesn't work quite the same as Visual Studio. So it just has a pop-up box on this one for those that, I don't know why it's that way, but that's just the way it is. It's fine with me. And then we want to give them some output after they've inputted their information about the name of their pet. So we're going to go do a final console dot write line, and your pet's name is, and then when they're inputting information, you can put a container here, basically, essentially is what this is, that when we do our output, it will hold what they've inputted in that container. And then you have to do one final call of the variable you created, your pet. Now, I believe this is going to work. The first couple of times, I had a couple errors because we don't have IntelliSense with the Solo Learn IDE. I think I have everything here. Everything's capitalized the way it should be. So let's give this a shot. Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay, name of your pet. We're going to do Junie. And cross your fingers. There you go. What's the name of your pet? Your pet's name is Junie. Perfect. So you could actually put a little period in there if you wanted to do it correctly. But there you go. That's creating a string in a C# program. And this is the Solo Learn version. So thank you.